Thanksgiving is supposed to be comforting. But some families cook dishes so bizarre they make the turkey question its own purpose. From salads that stare back at you to desserts made out of potatoes, these foods are real. And people proudly serve them every year. Welcome to Top 10 Most Unusual Thanksgiving Dishes. Buckle up, because this menu gets weird fast. Number 1. Frog Eye Salad. Let's start with a dish that looks like it's judging you. Frog Eye Salad. Don't worry, there are 0 frogs involved. Instead, it's tiny pasta pearls floating in whipped cream, pineapple, oranges, and marshmallows. Yes, pasta, in a dessert. Whoever invented this probably stared at the pantry and said, throw it all in. It became a retro potluck superstar in the 1950s, especially in the West. Cold, creamy, sweet, chewy. No one knows what category this belongs to, so we just call it Thanksgiving. Number 2. Oyster Stuffing. Regular stuffing? Nice. Oyster Stuffing? Bold choice. This coastal classic mixes bread, herbs, butter, and oysters, giving you a flavor somewhere between holiday comfort and I licked a pear. Believe it or not, this dish is older than pumpkin pie and used to be considered fancy. Families who serve it swear it's amazing. Everyone else just quietly hopes it's optional. Number 3. Turducken. Turducken is not food. It's an engineering project. A chicken inside a duck inside a turkey. A poultry inception. You don't slice it, you reveal it. Popularized by Cajun cooks, this meat tower delivers multiple flavors in one bite and full emotional exhaustion for whoever cooked it. It's the Thanksgiving version of Because I Can. Number 4. Vinegar Pie. Vinegar pie sounds like something someone made as a prank. Back before lemons were easy to find, people discovered vinegar gives the same tangy bite. Mix it with sugar and butter, and somehow you get a weirdly delicious custard. It's the dessert nobody asks for, but somehow disappears anyway. A perfect example of don't judge a pie by its ingredients. Number 5. Corn pudding. Corn pudding is that dish everyone likes, but nobody can describe. Is it a side, a dessert, a warm hug? With a texture somewhere between souffle and cake batter, it's sweet, buttery, and suspiciously addictive. It came from blending Native American ingredients with European cooking styles. And honestly, Thanksgiving wouldn't feel right without this golden scoop of edible comfort. Number 6. Cranberry Jell-O Salad. Yes. Thanksgiving's jiggly icon. Cranberry Jell-O Salad wobbles proudly onto the table like a relic from the 1950s. It contains fruit, nuts, and sometimes even celery, all trapped inside a red, vibrating force field. It's not quite dessert, not quite salad, but definitely a conversation starter. Slice it, poke it, watch it wiggle. It's the most entertaining thing at dinner besides your aunt's stories. Number 7. Deep-fried turkey. Deep-fried turkey is the dish that makes fire departments nervous. You heat a gigantic cauldron of oil, lower a bird into it, and pray you still have eyebrows by dinner. But the payoff? Ultra crispy skin and juicy meat. It's dangerously delicious. The kind of dish that says, I love food, but I'm also willing to risk the porch. Number 8. Ambrosia Salad. Ambrosia Salad, the fluffy, fruity chaos bowl. Marshmallows, oranges, coconut, cherries. Basically the contents of a candy store mixed with clouds. It became famous when canned fruit became trendy, and Americans decided everything needed to be sweet and creamy. Some people adore it. Others pretend to adore it. Either way, it always shows up like that one cousin who wasn't invited, but comes every year anyway. Number 9. Mashed potato candy. You're not hallucinating. This is candy made from actual mashed potatoes. Just mix cold potato with powdered sugar until it becomes dough. Roll it with peanut butter, slice it, and boom, dessert. It sounds like something invented during a dare, yet somehow tastes incredible. It's a miracle. Or witchcraft. Hard to say. Number 10. Tofurky. For the vegetarians in the room, we have Tofurky, the tofu turkey impersonator. It's shaped like a bird, stuffed like a bird, but tastes nothing like a bird. Still, it's a modern Thanksgiving must-have for plant-based families. Some people love it, some people tolerate it, and some people stare at it like it might come alive. But hey, the holiday table is big enough for everyone. So whether it's a salad that jiggles, a pie made from vinegar, or a bird stuffed with another bird, Thanksgiving proves one thing. Tradition is what you make it. Which weird dish would you try first? If this made you hungry or confused, wait until you discover what people eat for breakfast around the world. Click on Weirdest Breakfasts Around the World. You won't believe it exists. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and keep exploring the strange side of our world with Oddly Abroad.